Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use the Forex screener in TradingView in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get all of the subscriptions of TradingView at up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only 2 days left. So if you are interested, make sure that you hurry and check out the link in the description. Now, back straight to the topic. In order to use the Forex screener in TradingView, you just have to first of all come here on tradingview.com, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, simply use the search bar and you need to first of all launch the chart. Once you are here on your chart, you will see this screener option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here in the markets, it is going to show you all of the markets that are available here. So you just have to click on this drop down menu and select the option of the Forex market. Now, if it is not available from this particular section, you just have to come back here on this page. Now simply hover over to the products section. Here too, you will see the option of screeners. So here in the screeners, we have screeners for stocks, we have heat maps for crypto, but here you won't be able to see the Forex related screeners. So in TradingView, currently you can't actually do it. You can only do the screeners for stocks, ETFs, bonds, and cryptos. Currently, Pine is in beta, but they are basically working on getting the Forex screener here on TradingView. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.